Today, we will be making Italian herb potato salad. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. We will begin by washing and scrubbing our fresh produce items in cold water. Once washed, cube your potatoes. Next, place potatoes in a saucepan and cover with water. Bring to a boil and cook until tender, about 15 minutes. While your potatoes are boiling, chop your green pepper into small chunks and add to a bowl. Chop your green onions and add to the bowl. In a separate bowl, mix your oil, vinegar, mustard, parsley, garlic powder, and black pepper to form your dressing. Once your potatoes are fork tender, drain well and place into a medium bowl to cool. After the potatoes have cooled, toss with the bell pepper and green onions. Drizzle your dressing over the potatoes and toss well. Cover your potato salad and chill until you're ready to serve. Enjoy!